The activist organization backed by libertarian billionaire Charles Koch is getting back to its ground game for its preferred candidates, while the coronavirus pandemic continues to sweep across parts of the country. Americans for Prosperity Action, a super PAC tied to the larger Koch network, is reactivating its in-person door-knocking with just under 100 days until the general election after shifting to a virtual campaign earlier in the year. AFP Action is backing a wide array of contenders, including 5 Republican Sens. David Perdue, R. Gah, Steve Daines, R. Mont, Cory Gardner, R. Colo, Tom Tillis, R. N. C., and John Cornyn, R. Texas. 4 of the 5 Senate races have been deemed toss-ups by the Cook Political Report, and in some cases, these Republicans incumbents are down in the polls. Their 5 states combined have had more than 768,000 reported cases of COVID-19, with most coming from the state of Texas. There are more than 4 million confirmed cases nationwide and at least 152,000 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. AFP Action plans to unleash a 7-figure digital ad buy in August that will include supportive spots for all 5 Senate candidates, according to people with direct knowledge of the matter. Another Koch-linked outside group, Concerned Veterans for America Action, will launch separate digital ads next week backing Daines and Tillis. The overall buy will be spread across various social media platforms, connected TV and streaming services, these people added. They declined to be named as the decisions have yet to be made public. So far in the 2020 election cycle, AFP Action has spent nearly $4 million backing the 5 GOP lawmakers, according to the Nonpartisan Center for Responsive Politics. Tim Phillips, president of Americans for Prosperity, told CNBC in an interview that starting in late May he traveled to some of these states to see if the team could return to conducting in-person engagement with voters. Since then, he said, they've been doubling down our on-the-ground effort, with a focus on swing state voters. Phillips said his teams have been following all of the state guidelines. When they go knock on doors, the volunteers practice social distancing, he said. In some states, though highly encouraged, people are not required by the state to wear a mask while walking outside and, Phillips noted, they do not always wear masks when they are speaking with voters outside their homes. They do encourage volunteers to wear masks while they are traveling together in a car. When they are in their offices, the activists follow the strict state guidelines for the number of people allowed simultaneously in a workspace and urge their representatives to wear masks while confined to that area. Phillips pointed to field offices in North Carolina as an example, where they are only allowing 10 people indoors at a time.